Hello.
Hi there, how are you?
Good and you?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm doing well. What about you?
Very good.
Okay.
Very busy.
Okay, so let me share my screen. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Let me go to the editor. Okay, the fixes that you was given me, those are done. Let me check. Okay. Okay. So yeah,
Mm.
I will include it and then end on my services page at the monthly group circle. So on your services page, if I will
Yes.
the services, then
Mhm.
what should be included there?
One of those that you already put there, and then just for the monthly group circle. So you can copy paste the aura hypnosis and just write monthly group circles and link the monthly group circle page to it.
So you want another functionality on it, like as the monthly subscription things or something look like that? How you do
No,
how you do it?
yeah. Um, so the page that is already there for the monthly group circles, you
Oh,
just link that.
you want to include another services there.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, okay, that's good. Yeah,
Yeah.
I can include another services on it, and
Mm.
I will link it with
Mm.
so I need to create another the single page details page for the new services like yes we have already for that, or how it will work. Do you need the details page as well, or only you want to include it there?
The page, you already made it.
Okay, so which one is this?
So if you go to, yeah, yeah. So there it is, the monthly group circle is right there.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
so
that, yeah, you just link that one.
okay, I got it, I got it.
Yeah,
Okay, so
perfect.
I will include it. I will do the mobile responsive option here first.
Mm.
Mobile responsive things will be done. Then I will just include it and I will link the button with the monthly group circle page. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're most welcome.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Bye for now. And when it will be done, your content is okay, right? Then I can.
Yes, then the website is done, then we can start with the SEO.
Yes.
Yeah.
And as well as I have seen you have changed the font, so I need to do some adjustment on your website with the font color, like yes, this color should be white, and then it will be a pop-up or something look like that. No problem. I will
Yeah.
full website, and then I will include the another services that's called
Mm.
monthly group circles.
Yes, that's
Okay.
perfect.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
that's great. And then I will start the search engine optimization. 1 second. Let
Mm.
me check if you gave me the. Okay. So you need to give me one main keyword, and for
Yeah.
sub keyword, there you want to rank your website. So please give me those keywords
Mm.
so I can start optimizing your website for the search engine optimization. And yeah, when I will get the one main keyword and for sub keyword, I will write it to you on your WhatsApp so you can understand it more better.
Mm.
When I will get it, then we will be okay with that, no problem. And
Mm.
possible, when you will be free, just leave a review for me for my website, because it's very important for me, and if you can give me that, that would be very helpful for me to get my next client, because on my website I am adding my client reviews that I got from my the previous the clients. So if you can give me one of the reviews, so I will include it here. Okay.
Do I need to make a video? Can I make it in text?
The video.
You want a video review?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Can I do it with Zoom and send it to you? Email it to you or WhatsApp it to you?
Anywhere, no problem. Just
Mm.
take your phone and just
Yeah.
make it and then send it to me.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay.
I'll give you everything tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. No
Okay,
problem.
cool.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Most welcome. Bye for
Okay.
now.
Bye bye.